Michelle from M&M Model Railways. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint stop signs. So and also I'm going to be installing them as well. So please stay tuned and watch how I paint our stop signs. Hello, so I'm back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to paint these little stop signs here. Hopefully I can get the lighting just right so you can see them. Right here. There's a few of them on this little stencil, but I'm going to only be doing, I think Michael said 5. So I'm going to use my model paint, which is this little guy right here. I'm going to be using silver for the posts. I already did one of them, so I can show you. Let's see if I can get you. Alright. If you can see that, I painted this one already just to show you how it's going to look. And if I flip it over, it's going to look like that. Alright, so I'm hoping I could get you guys a good view of what I'm doing. I think that's going to work out pretty good. Alright. So I'm going to get my silver here. And then start with the posts first. I don't want to get up to the actual stop sign. I don't want to get no silver on there. So I'm going to paint all the fronts first. Very carefully. I like this silver. It's going to really stand out. Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's 4. Babe, you said 5? 5 of them. Alright, so I'm going to be doing 5 of them. Of these. Okay, now I'm going to pick up my helping hands. Whoops. Get silver on my hand. Alright, I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to turn it this way to make sure I got all the sides painted. Just touch it up where I missed. Okay. Make sure it's all smooth. Don't want any bumps in the paint. Okay, that looks pretty good. You can see. And now I'm going to turn it over and get the back side. Like so. I'm hoping you can see this. Now on the back side, I'm going to be actually painting the back of the sign. Like I did this one here. Just a little spot. Okay. checking the camera, make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And then before I take them off the stencil holder, I will double check, make sure I got all the paint where I want it. And then I'm going to have to paint where they're attached to the stencil. There's a little holder here. So like on the edges here, I'll have to paint or touch that up. Okay. All right. Just a little bit here. Double check. A little bit here. Okay, I think those look pretty good. There's the back side. Looking pretty real. There's a little spot up here. Right there. Okay, and turn around so you can see the front. Looking pretty good. I'm trying to get you the best view of these as I can without being blurry. Those look pretty real. And I might try to attempt to paint around the sides of the actual stop sign part with white, because that's how the real stop signs are. But I am going to think about that because it's really tiny. So we'll see. But thanks for joining me, and my next video will be installing these guys. So please stay tuned and you can watch me install them. All right, have a good day. Hello. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to install these little tiny stop signs. I did one already so you can kind of see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this out and put some glue in it. I'll actually put it on this. I don't know if it's going to seep down in the hole or not. But okay. Then I'm going to measure with the car, or the truck, and just see.
Make it about as tall as those crossing things are.
Like that.
Is it level? Come over here and look at it for
Oh
me.
no, it's not going straight for some reason. Alright, let's try that again. There, that's better.
Mm-hmm.
That's looking good. Okay, now for the next one. It's going to go on this side. And I noticed that this one, not a lot of pressure when you're making the hole, because it goes real quick in there.
It's in the foam
Yep.
insulation.
Yep. But the ground cover like kind of fools me. My brain thinks it's hard. Okay. There we go. Grab the next one. Oopsies. They're hard to pick up. Okay, where did I do that? Okay. Gotta kind of keep track of where you make the holes. Clean that up. Let's see a little higher. A little bit higher.
I'll put the other one a little bit lower.
For some reason not going in straight. Alright, there we go. And double check, make sure you're seeing what I'm doing. Oh, that looks cute through the camera. Okay, next one. One right here and here. These two.
Yeah,
And then where did the fifth one go?
over here.
Oh yeah, okay. I did 5 of them, so. Alright, next one will go about right here. So that's straight. I'm just using one of my clay tools. They have different tips on them. I'm just using one of my clay tools. I'm using the pointy one. Okay, next one. Better clean that other glue up before it dries. Okay. There's my hole. There it is. Oh, these are so cute. Babe, do you want to hand me tissue, please? I'm gonna wipe that glue off before it dries. Okay, thank you. All right, 2 more to install. Making sure these are even though. Wow, those look cute. There's so much more detail now to add with the other detail. Everything we do makes it look more real. Okay, next one, go right here. Be careful not to bump the other ones. Okay, grab this one. This one's gonna face this way. So tiny. Okay. Looks like a 4-way stop. So cute. Alright. They look even. Let me look over here. Okay. Now one more and then we'll be done. Alright, next one and last one. I'll put right there. So cute. Oh. Go in there. Kind of turn this one to follow the road. There we go. Kind of lines up so they can see it. Alright everyone, that is how to install stop signs on your layout. Alright, let's take a peek of what I just did with the stop signs. Here's the 4-way stop sign. I'll zoom in so you can see how cute. Looking real. Here's another angle. And here is another angle. Looks like a real 4-way stop. And then I added the one over here, the last one. Oops, sorry about all this. I'm gonna make it easy. Where is it? Okay, and this car has to stop at this intersection. Pretty cute. Alright, hope you enjoyed watching me install the little stop signs. See you next time.